They think like regularize. It's the ancient thinking.
Yes.
So they influence our parents a lot.
Yeah.
That mera beta itna karna, tera beta karna.
Yes. Yeah.
We push ourselves to the limit.
Good.
It's like they don't give us.
Yeah, they don't give a damn. Let's do it that way. Yeah. So,
How to tackle this?
how to tackle the society, your parents, or you? There's three people over here. The thinking about those people, or you're thinking towards them?
I have to just overcome what they think about me, or just
No, my question is, the problem is with your parents, or the problem is the society?
both.
Both. Okay. So society. Okay. Now got a point. So what he's saying is that generally we call the uncle and aunties of the world, right? They're the one who actually comes into your parents and screws with them up and goes them driving. Always remember something. Whatever you do in life, like for example, you're taking one step. You're focused on this one step, but there'll be always 60 to 70% still looking at your back leg, and they'll keep talking about your back leg only, right? So that you pull back that front leg back, right? And again they'll talk about the back leg, so you put it back, right? That's point number one. Now the other problem with the uncles and aunties of the world, they have a lot of free time, right? No, seriously, right? They have a lot of enough free time, so randomly they're going to pick someone. Today is his day, right? And they'll come after you, and they will target you and start hitting on, right? So what happens is that they need something to do, right, for entertainment, right? And that's what they most of the time they see in the TV serials also. That's the other side of it, which influences them further. Other thing is, whatever you are doing, you should have a clear idea, point number one. And whatever you're doing, if you have that clear idea should be transferred to your parents properly. Not that I want to be an engineer and full stop. I want to be an engineer because I want to do this. This is the job I'm going to get. This is the future I have. This is the salary I'm going to get. Give them so much ammunition so that they can fight the society directly. What they're doing is they're taking negativity from the uncles and aunties. They're getting scared and fearful, and they transfer it to you. And you're fighting it back to them, and they don't transfer. So what's happening is the outside people are bringing negativity in your home, and you and your parents are circulating this negativity. So what you got to do is, first point is have very clear idea of your goals, what you want to do, you're doing your best, this is the best I can do, and share that and give them the ammunition to fight the society. Because if you don't do that, the society is going to beat them down. And if they get beaten down, they will come and beat you down, right? So give them more information of what you're doing, what your plan is, what your goal is, which job, what company, what salary, all that. So they are always calm, right? And sometimes someone, uncle, auntie, you know, your family is the target. Now some uncle aunties, they figure, this family I'm going to destroy, then only I'll be happy, right? So when those people come, you know they're coming to your home. Advance, give them ammunition. Mama, Papa, they're going to tell this. This is the answer. Mama, Papa, they're going to tell this. This is the answer. And slowly, when you start replying, the society will start to step aside. Because what society is doing, they have this negative energy which is created. They want to transfer it to someone, or else they will die. No, they will die. They'll die with frustration or stress. Oh, my son is nowhere. Oh. So what they do, they transfer it to other people so that they can survive. Now, the other problem in society is, for negative people to survive, they need positive energy of other people. Negativity can only survive in a group, but positive you can stand alone and be all, right? So what you got to understand, they need positive to survive, so they come to your family target. Your mother, father takes tension. When they take tension, all their prayers go to them. They are happy. And then slowly you're driven by your goals. You're making energy for your goals. You come back with your mother, father. Transfer goes to them. They survive. So every negative is surviving. People are surviving because of positive people giving the positivity to them. 100% doubt clear? Okay, go ahead. Anything and everything. You can ask me.